Good morning, happy homeowners. Brian Adams, Only Wood Floors. Sun coming up. Hey, over here in Upland, California, getting ready to refinish this original hardwood flooring. Beautiful place. Most of it is the original hardwood flooring. So they've had bamboo flooring installed in some of the areas. This is the bamboo, flat grain bamboo. It actually has like a greenish tint to it. You can't see it, but you can see once we get this sanded down, all these little lines will be gone, all the imperfections. It's a total different color. So what we're going to do here is, I think before they sold the house, looks like they came in and they just kind of cleaned up, lightly sanded like the living room area. So you can kind of tell this doesn't look too bad. This compared to right there. You see that? The difference here? See the difference? So we're going to be refinishing this back part of the house. 4 bedrooms. Hallway. All of this will be gone. It's going to be better than brand new. And you can't beat these old original hardwood flooring. So, and nothing has been done to these in probably 20, 30 years, longer probably. Probably close to 60. But herein lies the problem. So we're going to try to stain the bamboo so that it kind of matches the white oak flooring. So the problem is going to be, they're hoping not to refinish this area because it looks okay. But what ends up happening is this does look okay right now. But when that back area is sanded, and this is sanded and stained, they're going to be damn near perfect. And what looks okay is going to kind of be an eyesore. Not too bad. I mean, you can see the difference. Let me look at that, the hallway over here. But this is going to be so much lighter and brighter and beautiful that we may end up doing this. Not sure. Now they put this bamboo on top of everything. So originally when the house was built, they put 1/2-inch plywood in the bathrooms and kitchens so that it was the same thickness as the original hardwood flooring. And then over the years, they would just put stuff on top of that. They would put linoleum over the 1/2-inch plywood. So this is almost a 2-inch step up. I mean, it's crazy. It's so big, they got 2 reducers. So and there's 2 doorways. We're gonna take this out in both doorways. I'm going to try to make a custom something so it's not such a step up and such an eyesore. Anyway, stick around, guys.